Hello out there. You're welcome to the second part on finding LCM of numbers. So in the first series of this video, we explained what multiples are, and from multiples we spoke about common multiples, okay, before now explaining what we mean by least common multiple. Okay, so now we are going to use these numbers to explain further, okay, and how to use LCM to find other common multiples. Okay, so we said that multiples are numbers. Okay, multiples are numbers that a particular number will divide without a remainder. Okay, so for example, the multiples of 12 here are all that you have here. Okay, because 12 will divide them without a remainder. Likewise, the multiples of 30 will be divided by 30 without a remainder. Okay, so now if we are to find the LCM of 12, 30 and 14, so as we did in the first clip, this is how we go about it. Okay, so you write out the numbers. These are the numbers 12, 30 and 14. So I told you we'll divide using prime numbers. We divide these numbers using prime numbers. Okay, what are the prime numbers? We said we make use of what? We make use of 2 is a prime number, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, so these are some prime numbers. Okay, so you begin with 2. Okay, so now let's begin with 2. Okay, so begin with 2. 2, we divide 12 to give you 6. 2 we divide 30 to give you 15. 2 we divide 14 to give you 7. Okay, now if you look closely, we could still use 2 to divide. 2 will divide 6 to give you 3. 2 will divide 15, but there's going to be a remainder, so you write 15. Okay, so 2 will not divide 15 without the remainder, so you write the 15. Likewise, 2 will not divide 7 without a remainder, you write your 7. Yes, now looking at this, 3, 15 and 7 cannot be divided by 2 without the remainder, so you move to the next number, which is 3. Okay, you use 3 to divide. 3 will divide 3 to give you 1. 3 will divide 15 to give you 5. 3 will not divide 7 without the remainder, so you write your 7. Okay, now we move to the next number, which is 5. Okay, will 5 divide? Yes, 5 will. 5, you write your 1. We are through with this division. Okay, now in 5 we give you 1. 5 will not divide 7, so you write your 7. Okay, 5 will not divide 7 without the remainder, so you write your 7. We move to the next number, which is 7. Okay, so that is 1, 1, 1. Okay, all right, so now that gives us this, the LCM. Okay, the LCM of 12, 30 and 14. That's it. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 7 will give you 420. So this 420 is this least common multiple of 12, 30 and 14. That is, it's the smallest number that could be divided by 12, 30 as well as 14 without a remainder. Now, I said earlier that I will use this to explain how to find common multiples, other common multiples of these numbers. So now, if this is the smallest common multiple, that is least common multiple, okay? So other common multiples of 12, 30 and 14, all you do is you multiply this by 2. If you multiply this by 2, it will give you 11. 440. Okay, that's another common multiple of 12, 30, and 14. Another is 420 times 3. Okay, so you multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 4. Okay, so it keeps giving you the common multiples of the numbers. Okay, so that's it. So that's how you use LCM to find other common multiples. Okay, all right. So if you have any comments, please feel free to put it below. Okay.